To create waypoints in your chart plotter, first you can use the cursor, so move the arrows, and the position of the cursor will be shown at the top of the screen. Once you're happy with the position, press enter, and the waypoint screen will open, and then you can press save. Okay, once you make another one, press save. You can still edit the name, the markings, and the coordinates. Press save. Okay, you can also save your current position as a waypoint. In order to do that, make sure that the cursor is not showing. Okay, once the cursor is not showing, press enter. Okay, so your current position will be saved as a waypoint. Press save, and the current position is now saved as a waypoint. Another way to do that, if you have a list, you can also go to the menu, press menu twice, go to edit, go to waypoint, and then here you can see the list of all the waypoints that you made. Go to new, and then you can change the name and put your coordinates, and then once you're happy with that, just press save. And then you can also see the number of waypoints used and the remaining that you can still put inside the chart plotter. Thank you.